Lazy girl hair routine. Let's do it. When I was conditioning in the shower, I really worked the conditioner in with a lot of water and created a lather before I rinsed, so skipping leaving conditioner. People love this Wave Tech. I have never used it on its own, so let's give her a try. I'm being generous because I'm worried it's not gonna do anything. This was too much, so I'm gonna try and blend it into the rest of my hair. For sure this was too much, whoops. Okay, this was a bit of a disaster. I think I added way too much. It did not add evenly. This is my own fault. I should have gone more in sections and been more gradual, but I'm rushing, okay? When I have no time, what I do is I brush all of my hair forward like this. Make sure to brush the back, like back a little bit and over my ears so that they don't get wonky when I go upright again. We are going to micro plop for our lives because it feels like there is way too much product in my hair. Ultimate laziness. If I had more time, I would dampen it slightly and brush these top sections up and away from my head to help with root volume a little bit, but like I'm just gonna go straight in and diffuse instead. Pure excess of product does seem to have made my hair clump really nicely, plus like that kind of weird technique I did. I don't know why I was bending into the camera, like I can stand. There's not low ceilings in here. First I'm gonna hover diffuse. This creates the least amount of frizz. And now we're gonna switch to pixie diffusing. Actually, I'm gonna do this upside down just because I feel like I have no lift at the root, which is my own fault. I think I see why people like this product. The Wave Tech foam that is. I think maybe it's just not right for my hair because I prefer a lot more definition. But if you just want like a volume and I don't know, like it did, like there's something happening. Okay, actually it's definitely a vibe. What do you think? I just don't know how long it'll last, but my hair feels like there's no product in it. It just looks slightly better. I don't know. What do you think?